Holy moly. Hey guys, and if you watched the previous video, you know that I bought this cheap Audi A3. And guys, as I mentioned in the first video, I've been driving this car like in a daily basis. I already drive it for 3, 4, 5 days, I'm not sure. And as I also mentioned in the first video, the second video will be a service. So what we're gonna do today is to replace oil and all the filters that need to be replaced. I have no idea the condition of the oil and filters that are installed right now. Guys, in the last video we installed a brand new battery. We also installed this backlight. But as I mentioned, I've been driving this car in the daily basis and I already find out problems. Remember these door locks that are not closing, so I end up by damage. I have no idea what happened. Yeah. Another problem that I already find out that I'm not gonna fix today, of course, is that I can't, put this in first and second gear. As if you see here, this is kind of tilted, so I already ordered a kit to repair, but I think I have problems in the cables next to the gearbox. But let's see. Yeah. It is what it is, but it's one of the biggest problems, because to put reverse you need to press right, left, and it's reverse. The problem is that many times I cannot gear the first and the second. One of these days I was stopped in the light and I could not gear the first and second, and for some reason I put the reverse. There was a car on the back. Yeah, luckily I didn't have an accident. But this is for another video. Another thing that I find out is that I have a problem with the O2 sensor, or the O2 sensor, because I believe this only have one. I plug my computer with VCDS and I scan the car, and I only had one error or better 2 errors, and they are related with the O2 sensor. I know that when you scan a car looking for errors, many times you have error in some kind of sensor, but remember, not every time the problem is the sensor. Sensor is just the symptom. The sensors are there to tell you that you have a problem. Okay, in this case, in the O2 sensor, I believe the problem is the sensor, but that's also for another video. But as I mentioned, I've been driving the car in a daily basis and I'm updating problems that I've been finding. Okay, usually I do videos showing how I do everything I do, but this time, in these projects I will not, or at least I will not do many type of that videos. There is a lot of videos with a similar car that I'm also restoring, and with that car I already made videos like step by step, changing oil filters, fixing problems, detailing the interior. So if you want that kind of specific video, you want to know maybe how to change oil filters or whatever, guys, take a look at my other videos and I have videos for that. Okay, well, let's see how bad it is, or maybe not. Yeah, I've seen worse, way worse. Yeah, not that bad. Yeah, not that bad, guys. The air filter, it's installed now. It's time for the pollen filter, guys. This is always dirty, and when I'm saying dirty, it's really dirty. Let's see this one. Let's go, guys. Yeah. Air filter brand new, pollen filter brand new. What I'm gonna do now is to remove the old oil and let's see if it's that bad or not. Guys, the first impressions are not really good. This is full of oil. This is leaking from somewhere, but I don't know from where. There's oil everywhere. Yeah, not that bad. Let's remove now the oil filter. I have these kits. If you don't have one of those, I truly recommend it because sometimes this may save your life. Let me see in the list, I believe is this one. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, it's out. So guys, I was thinking if I should replace the expansion tank today, because it's raining a lot and I have things to do. I will remove the bottom cover to drain the old coolant, or it's supposed to be coolant, I have no idea, it seems to. At least it seems to be. I already ordered a brand new cap, but it didn't arrive, so I'll have to use this old one. Let's go remove the cover, drain the coolant, and then I will add brand new oil, coolant and brand new expansion tank. Guys, before I remove, I need to see if this is exactly the same, because I didn't open the box and it's not a good idea. Remove all of this and then we have different parts. Okay. Should be, yeah, same part. Let's go. What the fuck? What? Guys, why? Where this came from? So guys, I already removed the bottom cover. This is fully dirty. Guys, I already cleaned a little bit here, okay? Was way worse than it is right now. It's supposed to be coolant. I have no idea. So guys, now as I mentioned, I already closed the draining point, I installed the cover back. Now it's time to add brand new oil, coolant. Perfect. So we already had new oil filters. The only filter that is missing is the fuel filter because I don't have more time today. But I will replace it, of course I already have it, and I already bought brand new parts. It should be arriving in the next few days. Probably I'm gonna unboxing to show you. And I truly believe that we can save this guy over here from the scrapyard. Of course it have costs in brand new parts and stuff like that, labor, but it is what it is, guys. I already talked with the guy that's gonna paint this car. We already get a value for this, so I already have a price for the paint. Of course it's missing a lot of things to do before the paint, but it is what it is. Thanks for watching, and as usual, see you soon. Stay tuned.